In the Torah portion this week, Shelach, we learn the basis for why we need a minimum of 10 people to make a minyan, the quorum for prayer services. One would think that the source for this requirement would be something positive, like Abraham's discussion with God back in the book of Genesis, in which he is arguing for the sake of the survival of Sodom and Gomorrah, where he bargains with God, what if there are 50 or 45 or 30 or even 10 righteous people in the cities? Wouldn't that be sufficient to save the cities from destruction? But instead, the rabbis say the source for the requirement of 10 people for a minyan is this week's portion, in which we are told about the 12 representatives, one from each tribe, who are selected to scout out the land of Israel and report back on its conditions so that the people can prepare to enter. 10 of those spies report negative details, saying that the cities are too well fortified, the inhabitants seem like giants, and etc., rousing up the people in revolt against Moses, saying, how can you lead us to a place that is impossible to enter? And so because of these 10 people, which are referred to as an Adah, a group of people, that is why the rabbis say that we need 10 people for a minyan. Out of negative reports comes the positive idea of making a minyan. Perhaps the rabbis are trying to teach us that it is our job when we pray to overcome some human failings that we have, to overcome weakness, to overcome a lack of self-confidence, and it's possible that with a minyan in prayer we can see the confidence and strength of the group that we are with, and that can build up our self-esteem. Perhaps that's the lesson the rabbis are teaching about why we need 10 people for a minyan. Shabbat Shalom.